Welcome. The readings for this week's liturgies, as well as the season of Lent, invite us, let's say, challenge us to look at parts of ourselves that we may not like to show to others and sides of ourselves that we don't even want to admit to. I would call these like the shadows that are in our psyche, the shadows that are in our soul. And so the first reading today talks about judging. I don't like to admit it, but there are plenty of times when I do judge others for all the wrong reasons. I judge others based on their looks or the way they act or their politics or what I perceive to be the quality of their faith. In other words, they're not living up to my standards. And Jesus' words in today's gospel are very direct in addressing that. He says very simply, stop judging and you will not be judged. Stop condemning and you will not be condemned. And so it's important for me, I think it's important for all of us to a certain extent, to take these words to heart, to simply stop judging each other, to accept people for who they are, to not force them to live up to our standards. Because as we know, we don't always live up to our own standards. And so that's my reflection for today, that we take Jesus' words to heart about being judgmental, about being condemnatory of others. And on the contrary, being simply more accepting of the differences among us.